Hello guys, if you think say this video na the usual review and unboxing of this Infinix Note 12i, then you go need to watch this video reach the end. So recently, Tecno and Infinix companies they released new phone series, and each of these series they come with different phones when they different mainly in storage capacity, camera performance, the processor type and display. Usually any phone when carry I they among the cheapest phone for that series, and then they get the lowest features, the lowest camera performance, lowest processor, lowest storage space and lowest display performance. Now these phones include the Tecno Camon 18i, Infinix Hot 12i, Infinix Note 11i and even this Infinix Note 12i. Now why this one for dey interesting na because e get more levels and more advanced features past all the other i family members. This one na the first time when any member of the i family they come with Helio G85 Ultra gaming processor, 4GB RAM when they support memory fusion of up to 3GB RAM and 50 megapixel camera for just one phone, and the price 104,000 naira. Welcome to Megalite YouTube channel, and if na your first time for my channel na be this, come make we unbox this Infinix Note 12i together and hit that subscribe button for bottom, and don't forget to like this video too. So Note 12i come inside this box, and them really impressed the Note 12i right up for top of the box. So inside the box carry the phone with the quick specifications when they wrap around them. These quick specifications include the Helio G85 Ultra gaming processor, 90Hz screen refresh rate, expandable RAM of 4 to 7GB and 5000 mAh battery. You know, if for not bad, if Infinix will actually increase this battery capacity from 5000 mAh to 6000 mAh, I don't already the tire for 5000 mAh battery.
Guy, what you do?
I don't tire. Next inside the box now the SIM remover, then the Care Plus Note. For inside this Care Plus Note, Infinix claims say if you buy this phone new within the first 100 days and the screen can't break, they go replace and give you. Not be new thing. Next inside the box now the bumper case. It is transparent and flexible. You know, I no go fit forgive myself if I know where I'm inside the phone and test them out. Come on, enter. No bad at all. Next inside the box now the 18-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, and the very last thing, the earpiece. Talk about the design of the phone. When it comes to all the edges and how super light it feels for hand, I think I get just one word for RAM: ultra super cool. This phone is the cheapest phone for the Note 12 series, but I don't already like them. And one more reason why I like this phone now because it is very comfortable for hand, and even though it's big, it feels like you hold almost nothing for your hand because it's not too heavy. Infinix they take every single phone for this series to a whole new level, and it just makes me they wonder if Infinix Note 12i come with very good design packaging, how about the other more expensive phones for this Note 12 series go be? I dey talk about the Note 12 Helio G88 processor, the Note 12 Helio G96 processor, the Note 12 VIP, the Note 12 5G, and the Note 12 Pro 5G. I guess their design will be like,
oh yeah.
The design of the phone not bad at all. The back of the phone be like Tecno Spark 9 series zone, especially if you look the camera area. The main thing be say this phone back they more refined. The right side of the phone carry the power button and the volume button. The power button here carry the fingerprint unlock. Nothing dey top of the phone, but if you turn the phone go the left side, now the SIM house dey here. It dey support 2 nano SIMs with memory card. Bottom of the phone come with one speaker, USB-C charging port, microphone and audio jack. For the back na 50 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and 1 QVGA camera na dey here. This bag still carry one flashlight. Front of the phone come with 8 megapixel camera, another speaker for top, and finally 2 flashlights. So the design of the phone, the way the body be and all the edges of the phone, they're ultra beautiful for a phone of 104,000 naira. And not be just the design of this phone be the only thing when Infinix work on. Even the display of this phone no carry last. I dey talk about 6.82-inch HD+ display of 90Hz refresh rate, The resolution na 1640 by 720 pixel. This screen resolution of 1640 by 720 pixel looks small, but it not really reflect for this display. The display of this phone be like wetin get resolution when they way higher, and wetin even make things more better na because most of the icons when they inside this phone and most of the icons for the settings they very graphic rich and make the display fine. So you dey operate phone when e be say e no get up to 1080p screen resolution, but you hardly notice because everything dey flow smooth. The screen dey respond on time and no delay for screen transition. For sure, the more expensive phones for this series go get way better display than this one, but this display for this price e no bad at all. The phone dey run on Android 12 with XOS version 10.6. E come with 128GB ROM storage space, so the average user no go even need memory card, even though the phone dey support am. The RAM space na 4GB and you fit extend am with more 3GB with memory fusion. Just like your other iFamily members, e no come with many games and apps like the Biz app and the Fola's voice assistants, but e come with some new apps like the MOL face-to-face translation, live transcribe, and Wizone app. If you dey talk about the battery capacity of the phone, it dey last long enough. The phone dey perform fast and fine, and e no dey overheat. I think the idea here from Infinix dey simple. When you dey low on budget, e no suppose prevent you from enjoying features when only premium phone users dey enjoy. So just think about am. Budget phone when they use Type-C USB cable and they build them on Android 12 edition. Plus very good processor of Helio G85 and it gets strong enough storage capacity. The only area so far where this phone for shows small weakness na from the front camera. When I first find out say the front camera na 8 megapixel camera, I did disappointed. And when I test the camera, I confirm my disappointment. If you know say you get pimples full your face, then this camera no be for you. Because this front camera go pick all the spots and pimples when dey your face and make them so obvious. Okay, so this one the front camera of the Infinix Note 12i. They record at 1080p recording mode and at the natural recording be this. I no activate bokeh or focus mode and I no activate any other beauty mode like I do with the 720p recording of the same camera. The only problem or challenge when I get with this camera so far now, the fact is some of the wrinkles and pimples for inside my face they show, which I not really think I like. Apart from that, I don't really think I get any other disadvantage. But now, what thing you go expect from 8 megapixel camera? So you don't see how it be. Now the front camera of Infinix Note 12i be this. The beauty mode of the front camera go try to smoothen your face and hide all the pimples and spots when they your face. But the image no go look too natural. It go be like the comparison when they for this screen now between the normal camera mode and the one when it be say I activate face beauty. Okay, so this one the beauty mode of the front camera, and if you look at it try to smoothen my face, but really it no look natural, especially the places when need more smoothing pass like the forehead and then the jaw area for this place. It look unnatural, it look like something when they kind of just paint with unnatural color. So well, I can say I look like doll baby. Okay, so this one the beauty mode of the front camera, and if you look at it try to smoothen my face, but really it no look natural, especially the places when need more smoothing pass like the forehead and then the jaw area for this place. The front camera they record 1080p videos, 2K videos and 720p videos. The only thing when I like about this front camera so far na the ARO mode. I feel like I'm in the cartoon movie and I'm the actor here, sing with me now.
I think I like this AR shot. It just makes sense to me.
And come to think say I fit change my voice from the voice of man, which is the natural one when they talk now, to a woman voice. I think it dey cool to me. Plus, if I shake my head, my natural hair go just flip up and down. Wow.
The back camera they record in 2K mode, 1080p mode and 720p mode, but it no dey support 4K recording. The quality of the recording no bad at all. Hello guys, this one is the back camera of the Infinix Note 12i. I don't really get problem with this camera because as you fit see, it kind of did very clear. Even though say this one are the cheapest phone for the Note 12 series. Now 50 megapixel camera. We get three cameras for back of the phone. The 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, and the QVGA camera. But I think this one they record in the 50 megapixel mode, and as you can see, they're very clear. It did very okay for the price too, and 50 megapixel I think na very lot of na very good camera. My own opinion on this phone is very simple. This Infinix Note 12i fit be the best budget phone when money fit buy for market right now. Or wetin you think? The phone too cost for 104,000 naira, or you think the features of the phone no worth am? Tell me wetin you think for the comment section for bottom. This video na the unboxing and review of the Infinix Hot 12i. They recently launched am a few days ago and the price na only 67,000 naira. Check am out now and see you for my next video.